Okay, and then finally we can add some charts and graphs to your model. So the way to do that is what I want to do is a chart of figuring out how much money I'm making from various things. So I'm going to highlight the items that I'm selling. So this is in the sales chart, and the money I'm making from those things. So to highlight two columns, highlight the first, hold down Control, so bottom left-hand corner, and then just drag. You can see it's highlighted both columns there. And I'm just going to go to Insert, and then we've got various charts. Maybe just go for a bar chart. Just going to go for a 2D column chart, and I can maybe rename that Sales. Okay, and you can see here this tells me how much money I'm making from each thing. So I can see their programs are the things that are making me the most money at the moment. Okay, a bit low on the sweets and drinks, but that may be because the costs of those are lower. But we could use charts to analyze certain areas of data. So we could have a chart, for example, for the seating plan, so adult or child, and empty seats maybe. So you can see how many we got. Could have a chart for the costs, could have a chart for the profit. So have a little think about the different charts you can do, and then add a couple using that technique.